Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to use Twoguysfinance's business online bill pay. Alright, it's gonna be a really quick video and I'm gonna waste much time. I'm just gonna give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now the first thing you're gonna do is to log into your Twoguysfinance account. You can log in on the online platform, that's the website, or you can log in on the mobile app. Now once you're logged into your account, you're just going to select the business account that you want to use for bill pay, and then you're going to click on bill pay, and now you're going to need to add a new payee and just enter the payee's information as well as the payment amount, and you could also schedule the payments and confirm the transaction. Once that's done, you're going to need to verify and review the payments detail to make sure everything is accurate, and from down you submit that and the payment is going to be made. And you can use Twoguysfinance's online banking platform or the mobile app to track your bill payments, and you can contact Twoguysfinance customer service if you have any questions or concerns about bill pay. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Twoguysfinance's business online bill pay. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will catch you guys in